Okay, so you can see Lionel hasn't got the concept of a bamboo raft. It's supposed to float on water, like.
Yeah. Now we are on land.
Okay, so we're building the raft here. Down this way is the river. And we're going to put bamboo sliders to push it down. At the moment, we've got a bottom piece here, bamboo, which runs all the way through. That's on both sides. Another one there. Everything's braced in place by wooden sticks. Up there you can see one as well, holding it in place. And we've cut off all the ends of the bamboo to try and ensure it doesn't hold too much water. You've probably seen on TV a lot of people cut a hole in the bamboo and then run a stick all the way through it. If you think about it logically, each one of these sections can hold about 2 litres of water. This bamboo raft is going to work for 2 people. One at the back, one at the front. So if we join it up by cutting holes and then putting a stick through front and back, that means we're going to cut, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. Both sides, 16, 2 litres of water in each. That's 32 kilos of weight. Or that's about £80 in real money. And the bamboo on its own, just one layer like this, won't float. We're actually going to put 2 more layers on top of it and then flip it 180, because it's almost going to be like a diamond shape. So the lower section will go as the keel. It'll flip 180, so in effect the other side of this becomes what the people are sat on. So if you add up, what, £70 on the bottom one, maybe 60 in the next, 50 in the next, you're talking £120 of excess weight just because you put holes through the bamboo. Not taking into account the drag that it causes as well. And for those who've ever made a bamboo raft and actually used it, they are a pain to maneuver. And if they get caught in the current, if you've got drag, there's little you can do because they're very heavy. And once the current goes, your ability to punt it out of the way is very restricted. So we don't cut holes through the bamboo. We want all the buoyancy we can possibly get. We've even cut off the ends, as I said earlier, so that we don't have any water going in there. So this is our base layer. We just checked it out and make sure the length is right. It's about 10 foot, you reckon, Lai?
Yeah.
11 foot?
Yeah.
2.5, 3 meters in length. We're going to put 6 more pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces actually. And then another layer on top of that. Between each, we have a piece of bamboo going across it. That's what we're using to strap everything down. That's the tie down point. And all this is being secured with bush rope, which is the hardest bit. Anyway, next instalment, hopefully it should be nearly finished.